To the door.
Welcome to part 3.
Yes, to
You're
the
gonna
door.
see the front pole station. Yes, BG10, as I said. I don't think it's a notifier. But you have the MT, the green strobe, and oh, it is a firelight. STI stopper. But yeah. Fan overhead. But yeah, never seen one of those in person, but yeah, it's a BG10 and could be addressable, but that's not likely. But yeah, that was a Wheelock MT. Do not know what the model is, obviously. Probably selectable candela, since the one in the bathroom was also a horn strobe, surprisingly, and had a 15/75 sticker on it, so that's probably also a selectable candela model, which would make it a MT-either 24 or 12 MC, I think, or MCW, I'm not sure.
Dude, you're having difficulty pushing it. What the hell?
But yeah, that was
Well, push it.
an HEB
Yes.
with older alarms and an STI stopper, of course, which I think was newer. Had the plastic bottom instead of the metal one. It's under, I believe.
Charles, over here. Get in. Yes, go. The car. Charles, in the car. Okay. Take your seat. Come on. That hurt? I don't know.
Yeah. Do you want help putting these in? Okay.
What? I want it. I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say,
Go sit down.
yeah. That's pretty much all I
Okay,
had
go
to.
sit your butt down. Carl, can you go put this back over there?
I was gonna say end the video, but we'll do that in a few seconds. Oh god, go in. I said go in. I made it by an inch. Why is my back leg hurt?
It hurts because it hurts.
Yeah, most likely.
Might be just one of those things. That pain just comes because pain is there.
Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the video or something. I don't know. Bye. Something. I don't know. Yeah.